there are reports of celebratory firing going on at cricketer Ravindra Jadeja's wedding. Remember, the wedding is taking place today, and earlier he had also, in fact, brandished his sword skills. Now we are being told that there is celebratory firing going on there. Celebratory firing, an extremely dangerous activity which in the past has claimed many lives at marriages across the country. But clearly we can see that that happened right here at Ravindra Jadeja's wedding also. Just going to see that clip once more and then go across to my colleague Harini Rana. Right, so that celebratory firing taking place at Ravindra Jadeja and Riva Solanki's wedding. Harini is with us on this. Harini, there is absolutely no doubt about the fact that celebratory firing took place because it's clearly there in these visuals which we are bringing to our viewers right now.
Well, absolutely, Tina. Now it remains to be seen in terms of if there is any investigation that will be undertaken by the local police department. What we're given to understand is that the wedding is in the city of Rajkot. So it remains to be seen in terms of if there's going to be a case that's going to be filed. Did the police reach on the spot, or is there any sort of investigation that the police will undertake, or if any case would be filed against cricketer Ravindra Jadeja for this celebrity firing that did take place during his wedding. So that is something that remains unanswered in terms of did the police reach the spot or what exactly happened. But clearly a flouting of the rules that you see at the wedding where celebrity firing was seen in Rajkot.